Hello, in today's short information video we'll be talking about ChatGPT for education. So, ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained to understand and respond to human language. It can provide numerous benefits of education, which is what I want to discuss with you today. So, it can be used for personalized learning. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT for education is personal learning. ChatGPT can identify each student's learning style, preferences, and knowledge gaps, and provide customized feedback and resources to help them learn more effectively. It can give you on-demand learning. ChatGPT is available 24/7 and can provide students with immediate access to information and answers to their questions regardless of their location or time zone. This makes it an ideal tool for students who need help outside the traditional classroom hours. It can provide language support. ChatGPT can support multiple languages, which can help students who are non-native speakers or who speak a different language than the instructor. This makes the education more accessible and inclusive for students from diverse backgrounds. It can assignment and feedback. ChatGPT can assist in assigning student progress and providing feedback on their work. This can help students understand their strengths and weaknesses and improve their learning outcome. Con effect, ChatGPT is cost-effective solution to education, as it can reduce the need for expensive textbook, classroom materials, and even teachers. This can make education more accessible and affordable for students who might not otherwise have access to it. It can enchant engagements. ChatGPT engage students in interactive learning activities and simulations that can make learning fun and engaging. This can help students stay motivated and interested in learning, which can lead to better academic performances. It has the accessibility and can provide equal opportunities for education for all students regardless of their physical abilities or location. It can also help students with disabilities or special needs learn in a more comfortable and accessible environment. For the conclusion, overall, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized, on-demand, and cost-effective learning experience for students. I encourage you to explore this exciting new technology and see how it can benefit you with your own education that is for your students. So guys, thank you. You can see I asked ChatGPT for some benefits. It put me some benefits down. It answered me. You can play with it. You can ask it yourself. And thank you for listening this short information video. I hope it helps you. If you want some tutorials or some other information, you can check out our channel and or ask in the comments if you don't have it a video about it. And please leave a like and a subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.